If you have a sticky lock, whether it's on your house, your business, a padlock, or your car door, a car ignition is different. If you have a sticky lock, there's a couple of solutions you can do. Never put oil or linseed oil or motor oil or sewing machine oil or even graphite. Graphite, do not put that in your lock. Now, WD-40 is a penetrating oil. It's fantastic for getting stuff unstuck, but it's not a lubricant. My favorite for a lock is Tri-Flow. Just love this stuff. Put a little spray, it doesn't take a lot, just put a little spray in your lock and it'll be fantastic. Or, you know, Lock Saver, there's Houdini. I don't have any Houdini handy, but this is my go-to is Tri-Flow. So again, WD-40 for sticky locks. It'll unstick it, but it's not going to lubricate it. So yeah, what you have to do, the Tri-Flow will lubricate the lock perfectly. Don't use graphite. Graphite is bad for you. It's not good for the locks. It's an old way of doing lubricating locks. Don't do it. So go to Tri-Flow. If the lubricant doesn't work, it could be because your key is old and worn, especially on cars we find that a lot. So cutting you a brand new key to factory code, the lock usually works perfect after that. So it could be a worn key. Your lock could be worn, and the lubricant may be a temporary fix, but it's not going to fix the problem. You'd have an old lock on your door, the padlock's old, it's worn out, you need a new lock. And sometimes, especially with the Honda ignitions, the high security, sometimes the ignition needs to be, the parts replaced, and you need a new key, because those things just seem to wear out. The other issue could be that the door is sticking. So it could be the hinges are dropping, or what really happens with the change of weather is the latch, or the deadbolt specifically, is not lined up anymore with the hole. So I have a few more videos on how to fix that, but the way to see if it's the problem is the door frame is open the door, and does the key work the lock perfectly? So if the door is open and you can turn the lock perfectly, and then when you close the door and it doesn't lock, then the problem is with your door frame. But if you open the door, try the key and it's still jammed, then the problem is your door. So in conclusion, don't use WD-40, don't use oil, don't use linseed oil, don't use sewing machine oil. This is WD-40 is a penetrating oil. It's good, but it's not going to lubricate your lock. Lubricant that's meant for locks, Tri-Flow is my favorite. Lock Saver is good. Houdini I'm out of right now, but I use that as well. And there's a few others. If you have any recommendations, put it at the bottom. So this will help you for sticky locks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.